Hi, Tom Perrin here for Power Equipment Plus. If you've never seen a wheeled trimmer, picture a cross between a lawnmower with big wheels and a weed whacker. This hybrid design allows you to easily trim and mow large areas of unwanted vegetation on your property. Before you shop for a wheeled trimmer, consider both the size of the area you need to mow and how hard you plan on working the machine. While residential grade trimmer engines provide about 6 foot-pounds of torque, more powerful professional grade models can have up to 9 foot-pounds to handle the heaviest vegetation. So if you want to clear out an area of your property for the first time, you're probably going to need a heavy-duty wheel trimmer with one of these more powerful engines. Depending on the type of growth you need to cut, there are many different types of cutting cords available. Cord choices range from light-duty to commercial grade and are often available in large rolls that you can measure and cut yourself. Select trimming cords that match the size and intensity of the job at hand. For big-time jobs, you'll need cord that won't break on thicker material. If you're looking for more versatility, some trimmers have optional attachments that let you get more out of your machine. Planning on doing a lot of trimming around your flower beds? Look for vegetation guard attachments to protect delicate flowers while you work. If you have brush that's too thick for cords to cut, look for blade attachments for your trimmer. These can allow for cutting thicker materials that trimming cord can't touch. I hope this information helps guide you in your search for a new trimmer. Whatever decision you arrive at, you'll find a great selection at the lowest prices anywhere, right here at Power Equipment Plus.